How to delete all your Instagram reposts at once. This tutorial shows you the quickest way to remove all your reposts without having to hunt them down one by one from your profile. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. From there, tap on Your Activity. Right here, tap on Reposts to see every photo and video you've ever reposted collected in one place. Next up, tap on Select at the top right to enter selection mode. Moving on, go through and tap on each repost to select it. Keep in mind that Instagram doesn't have a Select All option at the moment, so you'll need to tap them individually, but having them all in one place is still much faster than going back to your profile and deleting them one by one from there. From here, once you've selected everything you want to remove, tap on Delete. Finally, confirm by tapping Delete again, and all your selected reposts will be removed from your profile at once. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.